20 facts that sound fake but are real. Fun fact: you always see your nose. Your brain just ignores it. Do you know? A chicken once lived 18 months without a head.
Do you know? If you live to 84, you spend 28 years sleeping.
Do you know? You travel 2.5 million kilometers a day around the sun.
Do you know? If the Earth doubled in size, trees would immediately fall over. Do you know? Penguins can dive up to 550 meters deep. Do you know? The average person has 67 different species of bacteria in their belly button. Do you know? There are more than 5 billion internet users in the world. Do you know? Some animals can actually be allergic to humans.
Do you know? Fingernails grow faster than toenails.
Do you know? Wombat poop is cube-shaped. Do you know? You are actually a little taller in the morning. Do you know? Your ears never stop growing. Do you know? Your tongue has about 8,000 taste buds. Did you know? Your bones are about 5 times stronger than steel of the same density. Did you know? Your name grabs your attention even in noise. Did you know? Your memories change every time you remember them. Do you know? The tallest man in recorded history was 272 centimeters tall. Do you know? You're blind for a split second every time you move your eyes. Fun fact: your Wi-Fi stops working when you need it most.
Which fact shocked you most? Comment below.